My name is Lebohang Lebogo. I am the first South African National Blood Services drone pilot. We are currently at Durban Deep Radio Flyers, and we're here to test the Tron drone. A drone pilot is someone who is licensed to fly model aircrafts. SANBS has chosen to use drones because they will arrive at hospitals a lot quicker and save patients' lives faster, especially in the event of the golden hour where the blood is required quite urgently. Currently we're doing a proof of concept, so we will be delivering blood from Lebogo Hospital as well as Kopanong Hospital in the Vaal area. But ideally we would like to transport blood in rural areas within Southern Africa. In terms of the proof of concept, South African National Blood Services has purchased 2 drones. But once the proof of concept has been accepted by the CAA, we're looking to buy more drones. Our drone is designed to fit 2 units of blood. With our drones specifically, they can fly up to 180 kilometers per hour, but for efficiency we fly at 70 kilometers per hour. So our drones are equipped with technology that will avoid collision. They are fitted with a transponder, and it has a camera in the front where you can see if there's any danger to the aircraft. So the manned aircraft, the ATC, can also see us as well. As South African National Blood Services' first female drone pilot, it's been a rather amazing experience. I mean, from someone with experience in the manned aviation, it was something I would never have thought of. Controlling an aircraft using a transmitter, using your hands, not being in the cockpit and actually pulling up the throttle. So it was quite a journey for me to be able to fly quadcopters and fixed wings. And I mean, I'm overwhelmed, and I'm really blessed to have been chosen to be part of this project, to be able to save people's lives as well in the process. The concept that South African National Blood Services has taken is quite amazing because it will open new opportunities and doors for my fellow colleagues in the blood banks and processing centers. They'll be able to get to train as drone pilots, hopefully in the future, if all goes well. So in the event of that, I really encourage my colleagues to do it. It's amazing, it's fulfilling, and you get to save patients' lives in an efficient way quicker.